What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-114298-5. You may not be online. It's kind of your PSN account is not signed in or signed out. Our network is not working. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Firstly, what to do, you just go to your profile and check. Sometime you accidentally tap on the busy or appear offline. You just set it to online. If it's not working, then go to the settings and go to the user and accounts. Check your PSN account is signed in or not, or your console is logged in or not. Check it here, and then login settings. Your console is logged in or not. If it's not logged in, you just tap it, and then go to the network. Check the server. Sometimes the server is down. That's why you're getting this. The offline PSN accounts are signed out. So simply these are working good. So you have a local internet problem, you just contact with your local internet provider or set up a new connection, or you are not connecting with the internet. I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable from router to PlayStation 5, and you will get the better speed. And here we go. Set the advanced settings in the Wi-Fi if you want it. DNS settings, which one is working good in your country, you just set it back, and that's how simply you can do it. And here we go. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error on the PlayStation 5, a network error or a busy or appearing offline, and that's how you can fix it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.